I've said it multiple times throughout the years. Better be good at one thing and be really good than try to hack everything and end up hacking nothing. I tweeted about this and I want to re-emphasize some key points as well as give you my current practical suggestions to become really good at one thing. Or maybe 2 or 3, but no more. The underlying principle for what I'm about to say is that cybersecurity is a vast field and it's been formalized in the last decade or so. And it's becoming bigger and bigger, which is good but bad for the average professional. There are hundreds of possible career paths you can follow, and I've discussed some of them in an earlier video. The general rule in life is that you need to be laser focused if you want to have some great accomplishment in something. And that applies in cyber as well. So out of the numerous career choices you could make, you need to pick up a niche first. Let's say you want to work in offensive security, which is in of itself a large field as well. Therefore, you need to be even more specific. Is it going to be network security, IoT, cloud security, mobile security, application security, and so on and so forth? Let's say you pick application security. Good choice. I'm in AppSec as well. Thus, cybersecurity, offensive security, application security. This could be even more niched because in application security you could have at least a dozen roles. You could be an engineer, an architect, a pen tester, a manager, or a researcher, just to name a few. I think you get the point. Let's say you go for application security penetration tester. Here's what I think is one of the most rapid and extremely practical ways to become really good, really fast. Go to pentester.land and read the write-ups relevant to you. Filter by keywords. Practice on Try Hack Me. Go to the search tab within activities and enter your keywords. Practice on Web Security Academy. Notice my emphasis on practicality with these 3 resources. There are many more, but I'd focus on these 3 alone. Now, take your skills to the real world. Practice what you've learned on VDPs and get featured in their leaderboards. Why VDPs and not bug bounties? I've discussed this at length in this video on my channel. Practice, practice, and more practice. That's how you grow your skills fast. Finally, when you feel confident enough, go and get clients using the tips I shared with you in this other video on my channel. That's it. Good luck.